Welcome back. Part 1 covered 10 Sidekick moves most merchants miss. Part 2 is for store owners who already know the basics and want Sidekick to help with bigger decisions, faster handoffs, and higher value store work. Let's get into it. We'll start with one of the most advanced Sidekick features, generating a custom app to stack productivity gains for your store. Use this when your store needs an internal tool and the usual Shopify settings are not enough. Maybe you want a product tool to bulk audit your products, or build an app to help you organize orders better during the massive influx of sales during holiday season. Guess what? Sidekick can build it. Try this prompt. Build me a product audit tool that I can run to identify when products are missing images, descriptions that are off-brand, and are not SEO optimized. If Generate App Mode is available for your store, Sidekick can start building the app structure from your request. You can review what it creates, check the preview, and approve the next step before anything gets installed. Use this for a custom workflow, not for every small task. If Shopify settings or Shopify Flow already solve the problem, use those. If the idea needs a more custom admin experience, this is where app generation can help. Before installing, read the approval screen. If Sidekick asks for permission to make changes, review the details first. This one is for the store owner who works with a developer, freelancer, agency, or technical teammate. A vague request like, "Can you add a countdown timer?" usually creates extra back and forth. Sidekick can turn the idea into a clearer technical brief before you hand it over. Try this prompt. Write starter code for a Shopify app that shows a countdown timer on product pages when inventory drops below 5 units. Include comments for a junior developer. Sidekick can produce starter code, explain the logic, and include notes a developer can review. The goal is to give your developer a better first draft than a one-line request. For a merchant, this also makes the work easier to scope. You can see what the feature may involve before you pay someone to build it. Before you send traffic to a promotion, ask Sidekick to check the store setup around that campaign. Use this when you have a sale, email, ad campaign, product drop, or seasonal push coming up and want to catch problems before customers do. Try this prompt. Review my store before I send traffic to this weekend promotion. Tell me the top 5 issues that could hurt conversion, including product pages, shipping, inventory, discounts, and checkout setup. Sidekick can help you spot weak product pages, inventory issues, unclear shipping rules, discount setup gaps, or other items worth checking before the campaign goes live. This works because it's tied to a real business moment. You are about to send people to the store, and you want the path to purchase to hold up. Treat the answer like a pre-flight check, fix the items that matter most, then run the campaign. Quick pause. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, catch it after this one. Part 1 covers foundational Sidekick workflows like sales analysis, product optimization, and customer segments. This video picks up with more advanced store owner workflows. And stick around to the end for the addition's bonus features. Those are the updates that make Sidekick more useful across the apps and order workflows you're already using. Back to number 14. Most store owners don't need another dashboard. They need a short list of what deserves attention this week. Use Sidekick for a weekly operating check-in. Try this prompt. Review the last 7 days of my store and give me the 3 highest priority actions I should take this week. The best output here is a ranked list. You are asking Sidekick to help you choose what to do first, not to dump every possible metric into the chat. A good weekly check-in might point you toward a product page that needs work, an inventory issue, a campaign opportunity, or a setup item that could slow customers down. Do this once a week, pick 1 or 2 actions, and move on. The habit matters more than the perfect prompt. Intermediate merchants have more products, more history, and more choices. That also means the homepage can get stale fast. Use Sidekick to decide what to feature next. Try this prompt. Review my products and recent sales, then recommend which 3 products I should feature on my homepage this week, and why. This turns merchandising from a gut call into a store-informed decision. Sidekick can look at what is selling, what has momentum, and what may deserve more visibility. The action is simple. Choose the products, update the homepage, and check back next week. This is different from redesigning your store. Part 1 covered theme changes. This is about choosing the right products to put in front of customers. If you sell to more than one market, your copy may need more than direct translation. Product names, benefits, sizing, shipping expectations, and tone can all change by region. Use Sidekick to prepare one product page for a specific market. Try this prompt. Adapt this product page for customers in Germany. Keep the same brand voice, flag anything that may not translate well, and suggests changes to the product description, sizing notes, and shipping message. This is a stronger use case than asking for a quick translation. You are asking Sidekick to help you review the page through the lens of a specific customer group. Have a fluent human review important customer-facing copy before you publish. Sidekick can get you to a better draft faster, but you still own the final decision. Sometimes the fastest way to explain a page problem is to show it. Take a screenshot, upload it to Sidekick, and ask for a conversion-focused review. Try this prompt. Look at this homepage screenshot. What is the one thing most likely to confuse a first-time visitor, and what should I change first? Keep the question narrow. Ask for one issue and one first fix. That makes the answer easier to record, easier to review, and easier to act on. Use this for homepage sections, product pages, navigation, banners, or any page where something feels off but you can't name the problem. A page can look polished and still make the next step unclear. Sidekick can help you find and close that gap. Order filters are useful when they lead to action. For an intermediate store owner, the question is often which orders need attention first. Try this prompt. Show me high-value unfulfilled orders from the last 7 days and help me prioritize which ones need attention first. This focuses on a real operations problem. High-value unfulfilled orders can affect customer experience, cash flow, and support volume. Review the filter Sidekick creates before acting on it. If the store uses custom tags or special fulfillment rules, check that the results match how your business operates. The payoff is practical. Fewer missed orders, faster follow-up, and a cleaner list for your next ops pass. Some store fixes show up when you're away from your desk. A campaign message needs to change. A product detail is wrong. A homepage banner is out of date. If mobile Sidekick editing is available in your app, use it for fast, low-risk updates. Try this prompt. Update the homepage announcement bar to say, free shipping on orders over $75 this weekend. This is for small edits with clear wording. Review the change before saving, especially on mobile where it's easier to miss layout issues. If you want to know how to build a Shopify store from scratch using your phone, we have linked the video below in the description section. Use mobile edits for the quick fixes that protect a campaign, clarify a message, or remove customer confusion. When a store has more than a few products, trying to improve every page at once is the wrong approach. Pick the page that will provide you with the most impact first. Use Sidekick to choose which product page deserves your next optimization pass. Try this prompt. Review my product pages and tell me which one I should improve first, based on sales potential, traffic, and customer clarity. Give me the single highest impact change to make. This keeps the work focused. Skip the full rewrite, the redesign, and the long audit. Ask which page to fix first and what change will matter most. That might be a clearer product benefit, a better image, stronger sizing info, a sharper call to action, or missing trust details. One page, one change, then measure what happens. Before we wrap, there are a few new Sidekick updates from additions worth knowing about. These are especially useful if your store depends on apps, order workflows, or a more complex admin setup. Sidekick is getting better at working with the apps merchants already use. With App Search, participating app developers can make parts of their app searchable from Sidekick. That means Sidekick can help you find information from supported apps without forcing you to open each one by one. The angle for store owners is simple. Your Shopify admin gets closer to one search layer for your store and app stack. Ask Sidekick to find recent app-related customer or marketing information you would normally look up manually. Availability depends on the app and rollout. Partners live or building include names like Klaviyo, Loop, Judge.me, TikTok, Seguno, Checkout Links, Matrixify, and Avia. Search is useful. Actions are where this gets more practical. With app actions, participating app developers can let Sidekick help complete tasks inside supported apps. The merchant still reviews the action before approving changes. For a store owner, this means Sidekick can move closer to operating across the tools you already use for marketing, reviews, returns, messaging, and campaigns. Ask Sidekick what actions are available for the apps installed on your store. This is the feature to watch if your store has outgrown the built-in admin and relies on several apps to run day-to-day. The last bonus is order editing. When this is available, Sidekick can help fill order edit forms from a plain language request. For store owners, that matters because order edits are usually precise, repetitive, and easy to mess up when you're moving fast. Ask Sidekick to help edit an order, then review every field before saving. This is one of the highest value Sidekick ideas for operators. Fewer clicks on careful admin work, with the merchant still reviewing the changes. That is Part 2. 10 advanced ways to use Shopify Sidekick when your store work gets more complex, plus 3 additions updates to watch. Start with one action today. Build a small admin app, prep a developer brief, run a campaign readiness audit, or ask Sidekick which product page to fix first. If you have not watched part 1 yet, watch that next. It covers the first 10 Sidekick moves every merchant should know.